Hello guys, in this video I am going to tell you about Apache Spark installation and run some sample commands. The prerequisites for Apache Spark installation is you have to have Hadoop installed. I have already installed Hadoop 1.2.1 and also you have to install Scala. Uh, Next, coming to Spark installation, if you do not have Scala installed, so you can download Scala and Spark both at the same time by googling it, or you can download Scala using wget utility and the link over here. So to download Spark, if you google through, so you will get redirected to spark.apache.r downloads.html. So here I have chosen Spark release, the latest Spark release. So I am selecting the package type as pre-built for Hadoop 1.x because I have installed Hadoop 1.2.1 already. So you will get this download Spark link over here. You can just click it over here and you can download the same. So I have already installed uh, Apache Spark and Scala. So let's start extracting it. Then let's extract Spark file also. After extraction, you need to set some of the variables in your .profile file and .bash rc file, so that whenever you start your terminal, it knows where the executable files are present. So you just append it to .bash rc file and then do same thing for .profile. Then source both the .bash rc and .profile. You have done it. So you can run Spark both in Python mode and Scala mode. So in Python mode, you can just type PySpark to run in Python mode. For Spark to run in Scala mode, you can just type in at the command spark -shell command. So this will run your Spark in Python mode, and this will run your Spark in Scala mode, right? So let's start first the Hadoop services. Let's start Hadoop services, start all.sh. Then I will show you how to read a text file from the local file system and then doing some transformations. If you type in jps command, sorry, I think I have run already Hadoop services in my home node root user. So let me stop that. So I am stopping all the services, HDFS services. Then after stopping all the services, then let me switch to my HD user where I have installed Spark and Scala. So you have to type in su-hdsl. So now you have to start all the Hadoop services over here. After that, type in jps command, so you will see all the services have started for HD user. Then let's do ls-lrt. So here I have a sample file called sample.dat. Okay, so if you see the contents of it, so I have 3 words over there. So, and this is a single line. Suppose if I want to have all these 3 words in records fashion, so how can I do it in Spark? So let me run Spark in Python mode. So here Spark is running in Python mode. So it will enter into a shell, right? So already, if you can see over here, Spark has started as Spark context available as SC. So by default, SC is an object will be get created when you start the shell, and Hive context is available as SQL context. So let me run in Spark context. So you will create RDDs over here. So let's say RDD1 is equal to SC dot reading a file we'll read a file from the function called text file. So sample.dat. So if you want to check the objects present in RDD1 or the records present in RDD1, if you say, so I can do it as RDD take 10. So it will select sample 10 records. As I have only one record, it will display one record. If you can see over here, so this is there. So this is how you install Spark and run few commands over here. As I said, how to convert these three words in a record fashion. So let's do that. RDD2 is equal to RDD1 dot flat map. So I am using lambda expression over here, x dot split based on space. So what flat map does is it will take the contents of the list and it will convert all the list items into records. Flat map. So what I'm doing here, I'm splitting the record into three items in a list, and then this flat map returns three records. So if you take this RDD2, if you print it, see, so here you have three items over here. So this is how you split a single line into three items over here. So thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe.